Most of the time when you buy a product, you know what you're gonna get. But with outdoor lighting, homeowners often don't fully understand the true value of a well-designed and properly installed outdoor lighting system. Hey, would you purchase a new car without test driving it first? Of course not. So let's give the lights a test drive. A lighting demonstration kit is the most valuable tool for selling lighting projects. It's the fastest and easiest way to show homeowners exactly what lighting will bring to their outdoor living spaces. And if you're new to lighting, it's the best way to practice lighting techniques. In this video, we'll cover why lighting demos are valuable, how to set up a demo, how to close the sale, and how to pack up and prepare for your next demo. We'll also provide helpful lighting tips and techniques throughout the video. Lighting is emotional, and because emotions can strongly influence buying behavior, the selling process is more effective when you evoke emotion. Present your clients with an on-site demonstration of an inviting front yard, a well-lit pathway, or a cozy backyard patio for entertaining guests. Instead of sitting in the living room with a contract full of numbers, bring the homeowners outside and show them how a lighting system can enhance and extend their living space. When you set up a demo, you give yourself the opportunity to build trust and credibility with the homeowners. Because they get a first-hand look at your work, they'll be more confident to sign on that dotted line. Plus, with demos, you gain more opportunities to practice your lighting design skills. Always schedule your installation during the day. Then, return in the evening to showcase the setup to your clients. With this approach, you can present the system after dark when the lighting effects will be most dramatic. Choose a specific area or vignette to illuminate. You want to design a small area and light it up perfectly instead of partially designing a large area with the same number of fixtures. A great way to do this is by having a simple conversation with the homeowners. Ask questions such as, where do you spend your evenings? What part of the property would you like to see at night? And what areas are most important to illuminate? Use their answers to choose a vignette that is linked to their habits. Then, show them how you would design a lighting system to suit their needs. While the demo kit comes with a fixed number of fixtures, you might consider purchasing a few of your favorites to add to the mix. That way, you can add additional depth, lines of sight, or creative effects to your lighting design, depending on the layout of the property. When installing a demo, use a laser pointer to help align the fixtures. That helps you get a good estimate of where the light will be once the power is turned on. Now, after the fixtures are in place and the controller is set up, leave the lights off and come back at night to close the deal. At this point, your aim is to strike a dramatic contrast with the outdoor space before lighting and after lighting. Now, remember, lighting is emotional. Here's how you set the stage. After dusk, give the lighting system a test run. Adjust the lights as needed before the big reveal. When everything is perfect, turn off the lights. Then bring the homeowners outside. Finally, with everyone standing in the dark, turn all the lights on at once. If you're using a Luxor demo kit, take this time to engage the homeowners on the zoning, dimming, and color capabilities of the system. Be sure to install the Luxor app on their phones and preset any themes in advance. Put the control at their fingertips so they can freely toggle between themes and change lighting effects. Leave the lights up for several days or ideally over the weekend. You want the homeowners to enjoy the lighting and get used to having it. You also want to provide enough time for their neighbors to see it, or better yet, for the homeowners to invite their neighbors over. After the third day or so, return to the property and remove the lights. At this point, it's up to you to close the sale. Keep in mind that you probably won't open the kit again until you do another demo. So be sure to take some extra time and care so you have everything you need to get ready for the next installation. Carefully wrap your wires and remember to include all necessary tools. Always carry extension cords in your kit or bring them with you to the next site. If any components are damaged on the job, take note to repair or replace them. Lighting demos work. In fact, they sell significantly more lights per job than lighting designs just drawn out on paper. This is because lighting is an emotional sale. Seeing lights in action helps clients understand the beauty and value of outdoor lighting. With just a few hours invested in engaging the homeowners and performing the demo, you can close any size lighting project.